Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to launch Rockstar Launcher step by step. Click the Rockstar Launcher icon on your desktop or open it from the Start menu, then wait for the launcher to initialize. If prompted, sign in with your Rockstar or linked account credentials and complete any two-factor authentication prompts. Keep the launcher updated by accepting patches and restart it if performance seems sluggish or downloads stall. In this video, I will show how to launch Rockstar Launcher step by step. After opening the launcher, enter your account email and password accurately and select Sign In. If two-factor authentication is enabled, retrieve the code from your Authenticator app or email and enter it to proceed. Stay patient while the launcher verifies your credentials and syncs your game library, and avoid closing the app during this initial sign-in process. In this video, I will show how to launch Rockstar Launcher step by step. Quick recommendation: if you like convenience, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for voice control and spotless floors, making game nights less messy and more fun. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to launch Rockstar Launcher step by step. If the launcher fails to start, restart your system and try again, then review firewall or antivirus blocks that might stop network access. Run the launcher as administrator if permissions are an issue, and consider reinstalling the official launcher installer to replace corrupted files. Keep your operating system drivers current to reduce compatibility problems when launching games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.